NeighborSpace is a nonprofit land trust. We work with urban communities in Baltimore County to protect, restore, and steward land for small neighborhood parks, gardens, trails, natural areas. So NeighborSpace has this unique challenge baked into its mission. Our service area is defined as urban Baltimore County, so we're focused on that part of the county where development is being concentrated. Our vision is that all residents would have a public green space within a 5 or 10-minute walk from their home. So today we are in Chestnut Park. This is a NeighborSpace park in the Turner Station neighborhood. Turner Station is one of Baltimore County's oldest African American neighborhoods.
This park is my heart right now. I've lived in Turner Station all my life. I was born and raised here. I was driving down the street and I saw a sign on it that had been there for a long time, for decades, and it said for sale. So I contacted NeighborSpace and they said yes. And it's been maybe 6 years now, and we've come a long way together, and now we have this beautiful space because of that partnership. This was a community gathering place. It was a space for neighbors. And so what we did was reach out to the neighbors and tell them what we plan to do. And NeighborSpace did a survey of all of these homes to get their feedback. They helped to maintain the area, and they helped to plan social events for the area. Everything we do here is a partnership. We've come a long, long way, and we couldn't have done it without NeighborSpace.
This space in particular, I think, is good for the community because it was a space that was an eyesore at one point, and I think now that we have beautified it, more people are accessing it and using it for cookouts, and now I have a space for my Girl Scouts to meet, to grow vegetables, maintain the garden together. I think, having the youth and the Scouts participate in the garden activity, I think creates a sense of pride and ownership for them.
Humans have to be outside, both for their mental health and their physical well-being. And when you look at the map, green space is not equitably distributed. That is true in urban Baltimore County as well. And so communities like this one that are historically underserved lack green space. So that's really where we come in, kind of in between that county park scale and that neighborhood backyard scale. We're providing those small neighborhood parks that people can walk to and enjoy on their own time.
NeighborSpace, they're the best partners we could ever have. We wouldn't be here unless they said yes to buying the land and partnering with us. I think we're really blessed to have NeighborSpace as partners, because our community is more beautiful because of the space that we chose to use.